It has been an absolutely crazy day in the crypto space. I feel like every time I check my phone, there's just another notification with somebody else buying more Bitcoin, more people doing 40x longs on Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid itself doing what, about 40-50% in gains over the past week? We're going to look into all of this right now because you've tuned into Welcome back, my friends. It is your favorite Canadian crypto host, Denzel, aka Views, trying to get the new nickname going. And we're gonna go through the crypto news. So it has been not anything short of an exciting day today in crypto. Hyper EVM is the most asymmetric opportunity in crypto at the moment, and likely will be for a few months. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. I've kind of been fading Hyperliquid. I haven't really looked too much into it, but this guy Ansem is the biggest, probably, yeah, the biggest hyperbull I know on Twitter. So we're definitely gonna have to dig a little bit more into that. Let me know if you guys want a Hyperliquid video. I will do a complete deep dive if the people ask for it. James Wynn, look at the 1 hour Bollinger Bands, BB stands for Bollinger Bands. On BTC, starting to coil up on another level, lock in, boys. This is a man that has been putting million billion dollar longs on the Bitcoin price, on also Hyperliquid, I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me on that. But if anybody has the balls like this man to put that type of money on the line in very, very short trades, he must know something we don't. So just this alone has me feeling a little bit bullish, but not as bullish as people have been on Sui. So Sui's been probably one of the, I would say, the most hyped up layer ones of this cycle. People are calling it the next Solana, despite the $220 million exploit on Cetus. Cetus is probably the biggest DEX on Sui. The Sui ecosystem remains red hot. 1 billion in stablecoin total value locked over the past 2 months. Top stablecoin inflows, $184 million in a day. Integrated with Microsoft Space and time alongside Bitcoin and ETH. OKX launched XBTC on Sui. I don't know what XBTC is, but they got $600 or 600 BTC total value locked since February. You get the deal. Sui has been doing hot. Definitely one for your long-term bags. If you're looking for a really good blue chip to add to your portfolio, definitely would recommend. But of course, nothing I say is ever financial advice. Definitely do your own research and invest what you can afford to lose. Satoshi Nakamoto, the kind of designated creator of Bitcoin. Well, he is a creator of Bitcoin, the one that used that alias. We're trying to figure out who that actually is. Holds over $120 billion in Bitcoin, more than 5% of the total Bitcoin supply. That is still, for the current moment, more than BlackRock. For now, or all the ETFs combined, I should say. Dubai launches real estate tokenization platform on XRP Ledger. XRP, fun fact, is the first ever crypto I ever purchased. First ever cryptocurrency I ever heard of. And definitely have some heart ties here. So seeing these guys doing big things, integrating with actual countries like Dubai, is absolutely insane. More Sui hype here. Sui hits 50 billion total perks DEX volume. So perpetual DEXs is essentially decentralized exchanges where you can trade perps and futures on. Definitely could do more information and go into more depth about perps and that type of stuff. If you guys want to see it, leave a like, leave a comment below. And the bullish divergence for altcoins. So let's actually dive into the altcoins real quick, because if we zoom in here a little bit, let me get rid of this fib here. We actually see a little bull flag playing out here. Oh, what are we doing here? This is not the chart I was looking for. This is a chart that we were looking for. The others charts, we're real legions on this side. So we want to go to the total market cap minus the top 10 altcoins. And that's going to give you a real good, clear idea of what your alts, at least where a majority of my portfolio is allocated, what the overall market structure is looking like. And it looks like we're printing a little bit of a bull flag here, if I'm not mistaken. And if we throw a Fibonacci on here, looks like we're just kind of right in the thick of trying to get through this resistance level right here, this Fibonacci retracement line. So we'll see what happens. It all depends on what Granddaddy Bitcoin has to say. Ooh, actually, as I'm making this video here, it looks like Bitcoin is testing the support line again. Will it hold? I don't know, guys. I'm a little bit shook. You're seeing me seeing this. Seeing me, seeing you, seeing me for the first time in the flesh, live, unedited. Holy smokes, what are we gonna do? Do you think we're gonna hold here? You think we're gonna bounce back? Do we think that our friend Mister Saylor, the man in control of MicroStrategy, the company dedicated to buying Bitcoin that continues to acquire Bitcoin at just absolutely astronomical levels, can this man continue to pump our bags and save the support line from breaking and possibly seeing somewhat of an ABC correction here before we actually take off to the upside? I don't know. We're just gonna have to continue monitoring the news. We're just gonna have to continue monitoring the price. And that's all I got for now. It's been a long day for me, so this is your crypto market update. It is your favorite Canadian crypto host signing out. Until next time.